have the bullet for cam lock on your TourPacks and luggage racks and what have you. But secure that on to replace the Harley lock, and if you don't have a Harley lock, just standard cam lock, you have the bullet to go on there. But that's how you get it off and rotate it. This replaces it, put it on there. It's stainless steel. Snug it up. And then you bottom it out on the counterbore. It rides on the shaft, but most of the pressure is on the counterbore, so you're not messing up the shaft. What you get in your package: the bullet, the screw, and the key. If you do want to sneak this around in tight places, just get it on there, give it a little twist, and then tighten it up. Make sure you tighten it all the way